So our next stop is Venezuela. So we will go inside. Let's go, Venezuela.
Let's go.
Nasa loob na sila? Venezuela. So what is inside in Venezuela? Valenzuela. So this is the main entrance. Gobierno Bolivariano de Venezuela. So this is inside in Venezuela. We have the screen. Oh, sayo te. Sayo. Sayo mo. Okay, let's go in.
My friend, how are you?
Ito lang. So they have the screens. So this is inside in Venezuela. So they have some creatures. Ano to? Flowers, tropical fruit, vegetable, fish dishes, water, gold, silver. Is it a real gold?
Yes,
Can we take it?
It's a real gold.
It's a real gold?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
Let's take it. So guys, our tourist guide said that it is a real gold.
Yes.
If you will take it, you will be millionaire. Let's go. So what's next? Yan lang yun? Picture na. Ano to? So, Adjan will take picture. Ulit. Oh, yung bag, yung bag.
Sa'yo.
Hindi, ikaw mag-time na. Magbibidyo ako.
Ha?
Magbibidyo lang ako.
Oh, ready? Ready na, ready?
Wait lang.
Okay. Ready guys? May person na ako dyan.
Saan ako?
Saan ako? Doon banda sa may gilid. Okay. Diyan ako sa pula. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 5.
Give me a moment, please.
One more.
Instagram.
Oh, in Instagram. What is that?
Instagram. What is the
page.
Instagram?
When you stop, we have a QR with our Instagram.
scan.
Scan. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Asan yung tubig ko?
Asan yung tubig? Asan yung tubig mo?
Sa akin ba yan, Ten? Saan? Hindi, nilagay ko dito sa harap.
Hoy, pareho lake yun ang tubig natin.
Ito, mainit-init sa akin to. Hindi yan sa atin. Hindi, iba sa akin, iba. Asan yung
Ito, scan.
Instagram?
Wala na makita yung Instagram.
May Instagram.
Instagram. You can follow and tag us. With your
Sa kanya. Passport stamp.
There you go. Be careful. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Show me your passport.
Bakit isa lang? Dapat sa iba-ibang page ka.
Show me your passport.
Hi, Venezuela.
Asan yung passport mo?
Dito.
Show me your passport.
Sa
So, you went already in
Venezuela!
So, that is inside Venezuela. Let's go! Bye! See you!